Welcome back to Plant Dude James, and today I will be restructuring my Philodendron Birkin. Now this plant has been sitting next to our record player for quite some time now, and the only light source that it receives is about 30 feet away, which can definitely explain why it's leaning the way that it does. I've been recently thinking about adding some support to have it stand, and in today's video I will be showing you my process. Now I have been debating on getting a grow light for this specific plant, but for now I'm going to try and add some kind of support inside of the soil, and with this plant being practically two plants in one, I want both sections of the plant to kind of support each other. So let's go ahead and grab some tools, and I've decided I'll be using some flexible wire. Now don't forget to use wire cutters because normal scissors will not do the trick. I'm just going to cut off a little more wire than I need because I can always cut off any excess if I end up with any. And for maximum support, I want this to be able to sit all the way down the pot, so I'll be making sure that I have enough for that. And let's start bending. The bending points will be used to support the plant to kind of hold it in place, and you kind of have to wing it, and if anything, if you make a mistake, at least the wire is easy to be reshaped. Now if you're wondering where to find this type of wire, you can find this at pretty much any place that has a garden section. Now let's move on. Let's see what we can do to the other half of this plant that's still leaning over. I don't think using more wire would be necessary, so I'm just going to use a little bit of Velcro. Quick tip, if you're using Velcro, make sure that you're putting the soft side facing the plant. That way the plant doesn't get damaged by any hard parts or edges of the Velcro. Now here's the final result, and let's place it back to where I normally have it sitting. Don't forget to put it in your decorative pot if you have one. Now like I've mentioned earlier, I have been second guessing about adding a grow light to this plant to ensure that it continues to grow in an upward fashion, but for now, let's work with what we've got and continue to let it grow while I rotate it periodically. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.